In this video, we're going to continue with the top 5 niches of the week, episode 35. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In this video, we're going to continue with the top 5 Amazon KDP niches of the week. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The funny thing about these niches is that all of them are in the general umbrella niche of puzzles, but there are different types of puzzles, and all of them are doing quite well. And we're going to dissect each of them, and I'm going to show you how to get the interiors for these puzzles and how to edit the covers for these books. So if that's something you're interested in, keep watching. Let's go. Okay, so the first niche is this dot-to-dot book for kids, and it has sold over 484 times, has over 1,000 plus reviews, and it's priced at $7.97. And the funny thing about all these interiors is that you don't have to create it. There's a generator that can generate the book for you, so you just have to sit back and relax. And overall trend is up, current trend is up. Here are the keywords you can use with the book: dot to dot, challenge, levels, activities, fun, easy. So this one is directed at kids. Maybe if you want to make the one for adults, it will be different. So this is Puzzle Whiz. This is what we're going to be generating our puzzles. Puzzle Whiz comes from bookbolt. Actually, if you have the pro subscription, which is this $19 per month plan, then you have access to Puzzle Whiz. But if you take this $9.99 per month plan, you only have access to the basic features. But this is with this $19.99 per month plan, you have access to Puzzle Whiz, and there's a link down in the description below. You can use the link and use the code Make Money Online, all lowercase letters, for a 20% discount. So once you get Puzzle Whiz and you sign in, you'll be brought to a page like this. All these puzzles, you can make all of these puzzles and upload it to Amazon. So I'm going to show you how you can create a sample puzzle. In this case, let's use dot to dot, since that's what we're looking for at this moment. And dot to dot is one of the new ones that have arrived. They were only just these first ones. I think it ended at missing vowel or so. Yes, from Mindfinder downwards are all new, so you might want to check it out and upload books to this. So I'm just going to show you all the niches, then I'm going to show you how to generate the puzzles using Puzzle Whiz, then show you how to make the covers for all these books. So here's our second niche, the word search. It's specifically for kids ages 6 to 8, and let's scroll down a little bit. Over 1,000 plus reviews, obviously 375 sales plus, and priced at $6.99, and overall trend is up. So the funny thing about these niches is that all of them are trending, they are bestsellers, so there's really no reasons why you shouldn't jump into making interiors like this. You don't have to do anything, you don't have to do much, and you already have an interior created for you. So keywords you can use: puzzles, child, paperback, brain, learn. Obviously, I'm a fan of long tail keywords. So this one says what search, kids ages, kids learning, perfect choice, brain games, large number, puzzle. In short, all of this is awesome. Just click here and it copies all the keywords for you. So the niche number 3, crossword puzzle book for adults, and this one specified that it's for adults, and 90 puzzles, the US version, crossword activity, over 1,000 reviews, 1,000 plus reviews, over 300 plus sales, price $7.95, and overall trend is up, current trend is up, it's selling like crazy, And a long tail keyword you can use: crossword puzzles for adults, word activity, puzzle books, paperback, general knowledge, skills, puzzle books, puzzle grids, and more. So the fourth type of puzzle is word search, large print, and 100 puzzles volume 3. It's like they're different volumes. And this one too, price $5.99. Overall trend is up, current trend is up, 67 reviews plus and 300 plus sales. And as you can see, it's really expected to approach 1. And the keyword you can use: word search, large print, puzzle books, senior search activity. I think they said it's for adults. Yes, for adults. That's why it says seniors in the keywords. And adults, large, multiple generations, seniors, white, and things like that. And the fifth type of puzzle, this one is actually a variety of all the puzzles, 90 plus large print puzzles. That's word search, Sudoku, number search, trivia, word scramble, and mazes. And the funny thing is, we have all of that right here. He talked about Sudoku, crossword, word search. I think mazes too. Yes, I think he included that in this. Yeah, mazes, word scramble. So all of that is found here, and you can create a book like this that has all of them inside, or you can do single books that have that's just for maybe word scramble, just for missing vowels. So it's really up to you how you want to do it. And I'm gonna show you how you can generate a sample, or how you can generate a puzzle. So in this case, we're gonna go with word scramble. So I've chosen word scramble, and the bleed, we're gonna go bleed. The size, I'm gonna go 8.5 by 11. Double-sided, I want less pages, that's why I'm going for double-sided. And the page number, I'm going to go 80. Count of words per page depending on PDF size, 84. Okay, let's go with 84. And if you want to make more pages than this, just create 84, then merge it using either I Love PDF or any other PDF that merges documents. And font, I'm good with the font. Use random word sentences if my file is not meeting the requirements. I check that include solutions, include the solutions, match puzzle and solution page numbers. I'm going to click that. And page numbers, I'm just going to leave these page numbers empty, since I'm going to be merging. If you want to merge more documents, I recommend that you leave these page numbers empty. After you've merged all the documents, maybe 4 more to make large books, then you can put the numbers of the documents. Still using I Love PDF, there's a section that allows you to put the numbers. Let me just quickly show you. So on I Love PDF, come here to merge PDF. Actually, this is all the tools. So if you want to put the numbers, you will come right here, add page numbers. And if you want to merge it, you come to merge PDF. So page number, just select the file, then you click where you want the page numbers added, and you're good to go. And we're going to go back to the puzzles. So I'm not going to check that, and then I'm just going to click submit. But before I click submit, we need to include a file. So the example file has downloaded. I'm just going to re-upload that. So I've re-uploaded it, then I click submit. Value must be less than or equal to 80. So I thought it was 80, but I saw something. Anyway, I'm going to put 80, then click submit. So we're going to be merging. If you want to merge, you're going to merge 80 plus 180, 80 plus 80, 160 plus 80, just like that. And you have the required number that you want. And it says larger number of pages. All right, success. The document is ready. So our document is ready. Download it. And this is what your document looks like, the word search. These are the words that you're going to be searching for. And let's do a scroll down. Oh, so many words. And okay, so you're going to be creating a spreadsheet of words that you want to put in your word scramble. And you're going to be putting the words on each line: lumber, fly, snow, jail, and the software is going to mix match them, then allow you to make the words. So in this file there is 65 words, but obviously it has the software has made more words than I requested or I had in my file. So that's one reason why I like this software. It replaces words for you where you are lacking. So it's really a good software to consider, guys. So once you have generated your file, the next thing is to generate or create your cover. And I'm going to be using bookbolt 2 for that. So bookbolt, I use it for everything. And just come right here, click it, click on your name, and I'm going to be using the bookbolt designer. So I already have a bunch of covers that I can use with Vexels. I went to Vexels, I typed puzzle cover, and here are different covers that you can use. All of them are related to puzzles. This one is for maze puzzles. This one is activity book for kids, word search puzzles, Spanish word search. Let's keep scrolling. Reviews puzzles. I don't even know what that is. Word search, Sudoku, and more, guys. So if you're interested in getting this, there's also a link to Vexels in the description below. That link is to my landing page, and that landing page has 35% discount as opposed to going directly to Vexels where you're not gonna get that much discount. I'm just gonna use this word search puzzle cover that I see here. I've already downloaded it, so I'm just gonna go to bookbolt and I'm gonna choose the cover size that I want. So I'm going to be creating a cover. You can create an interior here, but I want to create a cover. And the trim size, I'm going to go in for 8.5 by 11 inches. And white paper, and the page count is going to be 80. Wait, is it 80? I don't think so. Page count 161. Sorry about that, guys. So page count 161. And we're going to submit it. So it's going to generate the size that Amazon requires. You don't have to calculate anything, and that's one of the reasons why I like using bookbolt designer. Before I had to calculate my pen and paper and everything with a calculator, but now I don't have to do that. And so here's the cover that we downloaded. The word search cover is available as 8.5 by 11 PDF, 6 by 9 inches PDF, 5 by 8, 8 by 10. It also has Adobe.ai if you want to edit it. And here they use font. So I'm going to go for 8.5 by 11 inches. It's a PDF. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it like that, then reduce it. No, that's increasing. Reduce it. So the reason why I'm doing this is I want to get a screenshot of this. And the reason why I'm getting a screenshot is because bookbolt doesn't accept PDFs. So you either need a JPEG file or .png. So I'm just gonna crop that, and I can drag and drop it on bookbolt designer, because look at this. If I go to the images and I drag and drop it, it will be too heavy. So once I've dragged and dropped it in the images section, I'm gonna upload or increase the size a little bit to fill all the margins. So as you can see, in less than 1 minute, I already have my cover in the right dimensions, ready to upload to Merge by Amazon. And I've already created my interior using Puzzleways. So that's how you can create. And by the way, if you want to edit any of these, I have a small tactic that I use. I come here to the shapes. I like using either a square or a rectangle. Maybe I don't want for kids ages 9 to 12. I just want to take this out. I'm just going to cover it like that. So I use this tool. It's a Google Chrome extension. It's called Color Picker. I click it and it's going to pick any color that I want on this page. And I'm going to click pick color from web. And as you see my cursor moving, that's how the colors is showing the colors that are available on the page right here. So I want a color close to this one. I'm going to click it. Once I click it, it's going to register it. And I'm going to come right here, go to color picker. And this is the color that these are the ones that I've used before. But this is the color that I just chose right now. And this is I'm just going to copy this and come back here, click here and click on this and paste. Once I paste it, you can see that you no longer see anything here. That's because it has blended. So as you can see, in a matter of seconds, you already have your cover ready to upload. And if you want to edit it, you can just cover it like that. You can do the same, duplicate and cover this if you don't want for kids and things like that. And maybe if you want to add maybe for adults or so, go back to the word, the text right here. You can use any text. You can use, let's see the font. Let's see which one is closer between this and this. I think it's Oswald. So I'm not gonna double click on that and I'm gonna say for adults. You can do for adults, you can do for teens. And I'm just going to change this to white. Is it white? Yeah, white. So for adults, you can just put that right there if you want to change it. Again, for adults. If you want to change it for teens, just double click on it and change it for teens. So that's basically how I do it if I want to change anything. Once I'm done, I just click here and download it and upload it to Mesh by Amazon. So guys, if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand KDP, there's a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.